Let us we see how the ship floating in the sea.
Have you ever thought about how a ship floats, while a piece of iron sinks? Do you have any idea about the science behind the hot air balloon? Well, the answer is very simple. The mystery behind both of these things is the principle of buoyancy. Before reading further, take a minute to thank the 3rd century Greek mathematician Archimedes. He introduced the principle of buoyancy to the modern world. Ships, swimmers, hot air balloon, and submarines all function on the same principle, and this article will explain how it all works. The science behind how a ship floats. There are 3 basic concepts that explain how and why a ship can float. Principle of buoyancy. According to the principle of buoyancy, an object immersed in a liquid will face an upward force. When the upward force is more than the gravity, the object floats. The upward force exerted by the liquid is the buoyant force. Archimedes' principle. An object immersed in a fluid will experience an upward force from the fluid. The upward force is equal to the weight of the fluid displaced by the object. Law of flotation. Materials whose densities are lower than that of the liquid they are immersed in will float on that liquid. Wood and oil float on water, as the density of water is higher than the density of wood and oil.